Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I review more about skincare and haircare products. So today I will remove more about a skincare product called Estelin Sunscreen. It's ultra hydrating invisible sunscreen, but before I start please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Estelin Sunscreen SPF 50. It's an ultra-light hydrating invisible sunscreen. It hydrates and smooths the face. The non-greasy formula won't clog pores or leave behind a white cast. Soothing, antioxidant vitamin C soothes skin and protects its surface from environmental free radicals. Contains plant-derived ingredients for beauty-up effect and clear and beautiful glossy skin. How to use Estelin Sunscreen. Step 1. Apply generously 15 minutes before sun exposure. Step 2. Reapply after 40 minutes of swimming or sweating, immediately after towel drying, at least every 2 hours. Step 3. If used with other skincare products, use as a last step in regimen, can be used along or under makeup. Note that it for external use only, please keep out of reach of children, avoid placing it on direct sunlight, please keep it in a cool and dry place, avoid direct contact with eyes, if contact occurs rinse with water. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can have access to other skincare reviews videos.